So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Godrej Air Conditioner remote in very detailed and simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you want only cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, take it. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button is H swing. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the swing flap of the AC will stop there. You can also see the direction in the remote. The next button is V swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the flap of the AC will stop there. And by pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. After that, the next button is mode. There are 5 functions given in the mode button. By pressing the mode button, you will see the direction in the remote. The mode will be displayed. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in heating. Now the mode is in fan. Now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you about the modes in detail in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in rainy season and sticky heat, so using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. The next mode is heating. Note that if your AC supports heating mode, then only you can use heating mode. If your AC does not support heating mode, then you cannot use heating mode. If your AC supports heating mode, then you can heat your room by using heating mode in cold weather. The next mode after that is fan mode. AC will not do cooling in fan. Only the fan of indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you only want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, then auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and AC will work according to its own. The next button is timer. By pressing the timer button, the timer off time is displayed. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer off. You can set a timer from 1 hour to 24 hours in the timer. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically in 8 hours. So now I will set 8 hours with the temperature up and down buttons of the remote. After setting the time of the timer, by pressing the set button, the timer will be set. And if you want to cancel the timer, then press the power button of the remote twice, then the timer will be cancelled. It will happen. With this button you can set the timer off only. The next button after that is fan. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is in auto. Right now the fan speed is in low. Right now the fan speed is in medium. Right now the fan speed is in high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then you can set the fan speed to high. The next button after that is turbo. Generally it happens that whenever we turn on the AC, then the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases a lot. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want cooling quickly, then you can use the turbo button. In this the room cools very quickly. The next button is sleep. The sleep mode on Godrej Air Conditioner AC automatically adjusts the temperature to create a comfortable sleeping environment. This mode increases the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour for a certain period. This mode adjusts the temperature to compensate for the natural drop in temperature at night. This ensures that the room is not too cold and uncomfortable. This mode allows you to sleep without having to wake up to change the AC setting. This mode creates a cool, calm environment. This mode is intelligent and produces less noise. The next button is lamp. Pressing the lamp button will turn off the display of your AC, but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to turn off the light of the display of the AC. The next button is temp. By pressing the temp button, whatever temperature is in your room will be displayed in the AC. You can use this button to see the room temperature. The next button is eco. Pressing the eco button will start your AC running at 24 degrees and the indoor fan speed will start running in auto, which will save energy in your AC. Eco mode uses less energy than other modes. Compared to normal mode, eco mode uses less compressor capacity, which uses less energy. You can save energy and money at any time or use it to cool more effectively when it's not too hot outside, which means you won't have to worry about high electricity bills. The next function is silent. By using the silent function, the fan speed of the indoor unit will become very slow and the AC will start running completely silent. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to my channel.